afternoon, guys. I'm in Istanbul, the city where Europe meets Asia. I'm wanting to come here for quite a while. I was here a few days ago, but it was only to change airport. So second time in Turkey previous to that. So I'm staying in the Asian side, but I've put a taxi into the European side, and we're going to have a walk around today and see what's happening. So I arrived about 5:30 this morning and got a taxi to the hotel. It's probably the strangest payment method I've ever had to use for a taxi. So it's 500 Turkish lira, and he took me to a petrol station and I bought his petrol for him. So it was quite a weird way of paying for a taxi, but not too bad, 11 quid. So pretty hungry as well. I've not ate yet since last night, so to take a walk around and probably try and get some food as well. Turkish cuisine's amazing, I love it. Proper Turkish food, really nice. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we can get today. Streets are really busy, lots of shops and stuff. So maybe get a few interactions with people as well. So in the bazaar now, this place is absolutely massive. Loads of clothes shops and stuff. Some food places as well. Really busy, streets are absolute chaos. And the traffic coming over from the Asian side to the European side is mental. Just traffic jams for ages. So busy, guys. Could do with getting some cash as well, so I'm going to go and try and find a bank machine and do a wee walk about and see what we come across. I said yesterday like an idiot that it's not been raining. Woke up this morning, it was absolutely pissing it down. So, no one but myself to blame for that one. So I wouldn't mind a kebab or something. Not get a better place for a kebab than in Istanbul. So I've not got any plans again today. Just gonna walk about and see what we come across. Pretty windy, it's not doing my hairline any favours. Never really been anywhere like this, so this is a first for me as well. Again, these side streets and tight wee alleyways just full of people and shops and different food places. So it's a pretty cool place. So by the time I landed and got to the hotel it was about 6:30, and I hadn't slept at all. I'd been up for 24 hours. Obviously we've been out in Yerevan yesterday and my flight was at 4 o'clock, so I went to the airport at 1, so ended up not sleeping. So I just got into bed absolutely shattered and the call to prayer went off. So it's the first time I've ever had that. It took me a couple of seconds to realise what was going on, but it was just typical. As soon as I got into bed,
Ne kadar abla?
So just walking through the bazaars, absolute chaos. The only place I've ever felt it that busy was Edinburgh Christmas Market, believe it or not. How are you? I'm looking for somewhere to eat. Good place to eat? No? No idea? Okay, no problem, thank you. I have found not a lot of people speak English, but you can't really run at that, you know. People don't come and visit UK and we speak their language, so you can't be annoyed. So I'm going to go try find somewhere to eat just now, and she's there. Oh sir, table for one person? Thank you. Oh sir, one person please. Thank you. Could I have the chicken shish kebab and one Fanta? Thank you. Perfect. So I've ordered up a kebab. It's absolutely roasting in here. So that was quite good, guys. Came to 420 Turkish lira, which is about £9.50. Not too bad. It's the first meal I've ate since last night, and it's 4 o'clock just now, so still feeling pretty hungry. So I'm going to take a wee walk around and then probably try and get something else later on. It's the rain on as well. Absolute disaster. I wish I just kept my mouth shut yesterday. Too wet, guys. Jumped into a Navi restaurant, get something else to eat, and then hopefully it goes off. So went in to get some cover out the rain there, and had a sort of doner wrap with chips and 2 drinks. Came about a tenner, and then he kindly gifted me some chai tea, which I believe in the sort of Muslim countries it's very common to be given chai tea, so it was a nice gesture. It was really nice as well. Tell you what, the food here is absolutely incredible. I could eat all day. So in a carpet shop, just having a wee look. There's no shopkeeper in there. I was hoping to get a wee chat with him about his carpets. So I'm just going to head over towards the Blue Mosque area, which is a very famous mosque here in Istanbul. So I'll quite like to go and see that. I noticed Galatasaray are playing tonight. I had a wee look at tickets, but they're about 50 quid a ticket. And the taxi itself over here was 50 quid, so I don't really want to be spending that. So it's a shame, that would have been quite good, but oh well, I'm not too fussed. So over by the mosque just now, I'm going to try and walk around and see if I can get a better view of it. The sea's down this way as well, so take a walk down there as well. So that mosque behind me was the Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque, and the Blue Mosque is just up ahead. So we'll head over that way just now. So as I say, it's a very famous landmark here in Istanbul. Now, I'm not religious or anything, but can still appreciate a nice building. Going to take a wee walk around and see if I can get a better view. Streets are really nice over here. So heading down towards the sea just now, and you'll see what it's like down that way. So down to sea now guys, and as you can see in the distance, that is the Asian side of Istanbul. Really big city. Hello sir. So I think I'm going to end today's video here guys. Camera battery's running a wee bit low, and I'm going to jump in a taxi and head back over to the Asian side. So back to work in a couple of days. I've got a couple trips booked before I decided to do these sort of videos, so probably got to take the camera away with me. As for this trip, one of the best things that I've ever done in my life. Really good time. Been in some crazy situations, seen some crazy places, met some great people, some great hospitality. So I know I keep saying it, but get them flights booked and go out and see it. Cheers guys.